Here are the basics of the graph translation theorem. This equation is y equals x plus 4 squared minus 2. The plus 4 represents the left to right movement. The number in the parentheses is always the opposite of the sign that is represented. This is a plus 4, so this would mean that the graph moves to the left 4 units. The number outside of the parentheses, in this case the negative 2, represents the up and down movements. The sign is always correct on the outside, so you don't change it. This negative 2 would represent a movement down 2 units. So when you graph this equation, you'll want to graph the parent function first. The parent function is y equals x squared, which forms a parabola. Once you have drawn the parent function, I would suggest writing down the movements so you don't forget them. As I said before, the plus 4 will change into a negative 4 since it's in the parentheses, representing a left movement of 4. The negative 2 outside the parentheses represents the up and down movement. The negative 2 represents a down movement of 2. Once you have your movements written down, you will arrange your graph accordingly. The movements of this problem are to the left 4, so you will want 4 dashes to the left. It is also down 2, so you will want 2 dashes down. You just take the origin of the parent function graph and move it down 2 and to the left 4. This equation is still in the shape of a parabola, so you just draw the shape of a parabola around your new origin. The graph in pink is your final answer.